Hold on. She got it. She got it. Can you get it from her?
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Well, that's a good way to do it. Just scare her away. Get her toy. Did you get it? No, where's your toy? Oh, well that's not a fun game, Coop. She can't get it. No, no, no.